Ever wondered what it's like to explore the Aegean gem, Izmir? Nestled on Turkey's western coast, Izmir is a cultural treasure trove, a vibrant blend of ancient history and modern flair. Here, the whispers of centuries-old ruins intertwine with the lively hum of bustling markets and nightlife. From the iconic Izmir Clock Tower to the scenic Kordon Promenade, Izmir's charm is as diverse as it is captivating. Join us as we set sail for adventure and unveil the top 10 must-visit places in this enchanting city. First stop on our list is the Kordon Promenade. Imagine yourself walking along a picturesque waterfront, the gentle Aegean breeze brushing against your face. The charming Kordon Promenade in Izmir offers just that and much more. Lined with towering palm trees, it's a place where the city's rhythm is palpable, where vibrant life unfolds before your eyes. As you meander, you'll find a world alive with energy. Cafes hum with conversation, street vendors display a kaleidoscope of local crafts and food, and laughter echoes from friends meeting up after a long day. This is where Izmir comes to relax, to indulge, to live. Try the local cuisine at one of the many eateries, or simply sit on a bench and watch the world go by. As the sun sets, the promenade transforms into a spectacle of colors reflecting off the Aegean Sea. Certainly, a visit to Izmir is incomplete without a stroll along the Kordon Promenade. Next up, we bring you to the iconic symbol of the city, the Izmir Clock Tower. Standing proud in Konak Square, this majestic tower is a testament to the city's rich past. Constructed in the early 20th century to commemorate the 25th anniversary of Ottoman Sultan Abdülhamid II's reign, the tower is an awe-inspiring blend of Western and Eastern architectural styles. The Izmir Clock Tower is adorned with 4 fountains and columns that exhibit classic Ottoman motifs. The clock itself, a gift from German Emperor Wilhelm II, is nestled at the heart of the tower, its ticks echoing through the ages. This towering structure is more than just a clock. It's a symbol of Izmir's resilience and timeless beauty. Whether you're fascinated by history or captivated by architecture, the Izmir Clock Tower is a must-visit attraction. Its charm lies not only in its grandeur, but also in the stories it has witnessed and the countless moments it has marked. So, don't forget to capture a memory with this timeless beauty when in Izmir. Now let's ascend to the ancient castle of Kadifekale. Majestically nestled atop Mount Pagos, Kadifekale is a testament to the rich tapestry of history that Izmir weaves. This castle, whose name translates to the Velvet Castle, is a silent sentinel that has watched over the city since its construction during the reign of Alexander the Great. Imagine walking through the same fortress walls that have withstood the test of time from the Hellenistic period through the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman eras. Kadifekale is not just a castle, it's a living history book, each stone whispering tales of ancient times. But the castle is not just about history, it's also about the present, the here and now. As you stand atop its ancient walls, you are treated to a panoramic spectacle of the city of Izmir. From the azure Aegean Sea to the bustling cityscape, the view from Kadifekale is a stunning masterpiece, painted in the vibrant colors of life. Kadifekale truly offers a royal view of Izmir. From there, we move to the historic Asansör. A marvel of engineering from the early 20th century, the Asansör, or elevator, once served a practical purpose, providing a means for residents of the Karataş neighborhood to reach the hilltop with ease. Constructed by a wealthy Jewish businessman, Nisim Levy, it was intended to make life easier for the elderly and infirm who had difficulty climbing the steep slopes. Today, the Asansör is a beloved landmark in Izmir. The original steam-powered elevator has been replaced by a modern electric one, but the nostalgic charm remains. The journey to the top is swift, yet it's an experience that takes you back in time. At the summit, you'll find a popular restaurant offering panoramic views of the twinkling city below. Whether you're here for the historic ride or the breathtaking vista, the Asansör promises a memorable visit. So step in and enjoy a ride in this historic elevator. Let's delve into the city's rich history at the Izmir Agora Open Air Museum. Here, the whispers of ancient civilizations echo through the remnants of a once bustling Roman marketplace. Each stone, each artifact, holds a story of life as it was over 2,000 years ago. The Agora, Greek for market, was the heart of Izmir, known then as Smyrna, during the Roman era. It was not just a place of commerce, but also a social and political hub, a vibrant tapestry of life in ancient times. Today, the museum showcases the city's archaeological heritage through well-preserved ruins that include colonnaded streets, archways, and the foundations of shops that once lined the marketplace. Among the highlights is the Faustina Fountain, named after the wife of Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, which stands as a testament to the grandeur of Roman architecture. Also, don't miss the crypts where the ancient Smyrnians were laid to rest. A visit to the Agora Open-Air Museum is like stepping back in time. Now time to immerse in the city's vibrant nightlife at Alsancak. As the sun sets, the district of Alsancak transforms into a lively scene of nocturnal delights. This bustling area is a true nightlife hub, radiating energy that's as infectious as it is invigorating. In this lively district, you'll find an array of trendy bars and restaurants, each with its unique ambiance and offerings. From sipping on craft cocktails and chic lounges, to dancing the night away in pulsating nightclubs, there's something for every night owl in Alsancak. Food lovers will also be delighted with the myriad of culinary options available. Whether it's sampling local Turkish cuisine or indulging in international fare, the dining scene here is as vibrant as the nightlife. Boutiques and shops dot the streets, offering a late-night shopping experience like no other. As you stroll through the well-lit streets, the energy of Alsancak is palpable, creating a nightlife atmosphere that's both exciting and welcoming. Alsancak truly lights up Izmir's night sky. Next, we take you to the picturesque İncealtı seafront. Imagine a place where the gentle lapping of waves and the soothing whispers of a light breeze weave a captivating melody. This is İncealtı seafront for you. As the sun begins to set, the sky dances in hues of vibrant orange, warm pink, and deep purple, painting an awe-inspiring tableau that leaves one breathless. You'll find locals and visitors alike taking leisurely walks, their faces lit by the soft glow of the setting sun. Families spread out their picnic blankets, sharing laughter and food, while others simply sit in quiet contemplation, drinking in the beauty of the moment. There's also a smattering of cafes where you can enjoy a cup of traditional Turkish tea, its subtle aroma mingling with the salty sea air. So grab a picnic basket and enjoy a stunning sunset at İncealtı seafront. Ready for some shopping? Let's head to Kemeraltı Bazaar. Nestled in the heart of Izmir, this historic market district is a labyrinth of color, charm, and bustling activity. As you wander through the narrow, winding streets, you'll find an endless array of goods, from fragrant spices that awaken your senses, to rich textiles in every hue, and traditional Turkish handicrafts that are true works of art. It's easy to spend hours exploring. It's not just the goods that make Kemeraltı Bazaar a must-visit destination, it's the experience. The vendors with their warm smiles and enticing pitches, the hum of haggling in the air, the rhythm of everyday life unfolding around you. This isn't just shopping, it's a cultural immersion. And when you need a break from the excitement, you can always find a nearby cafe to enjoy a cup of Turkish tea and some local delicacies. Kemeraltı Bazaar is definitely a shopper's paradise. Now let's explore the rich archaeological heritage of Izmir at the Izmir Archaeological Museum. This museum is a treasure trove of ancient artifacts, capturing Izmir's rich past and its connection to the broader tapestry of human history. Housed within its walls are relics from the Bronze Age to the Byzantine Empire, each piece whispering tales of the city's evolution. Among the museum's most striking exhibits are the intricate sculptures, their details frozen in stone, a testament to the artistic mastery of civilizations long gone. You'll also discover pottery etched with patterns and symbols, each one a silent narrator of the daily life of our ancestors. The museum also boasts an impressive collection of ancient coins spanning different eras and regions, a tangible link to the economic history of Izmir and its surrounding areas. The Izmir Archaeological Museum is not just a building filled with objects, it's a time capsule, preserving the legacy of a city that has thrived for millennia. A visit to the Izmir Archaeological Museum is a journey through the city's rich history. Finally, we end our journey at the charming neighborhood of Karşıyaka. Overlooking the bay, Karşıyaka is a tranquil oasis that perfectly balances the bustle of city living with the serene ambiance of a seaside town. Picture this: quaint cafes dotting the coastline, the gentle lull of the Aegean Sea, and a promenade that invites leisurely strolls under the Turkish sun. Here, every winding street tells a story. Every corner reveals a hidden gem. Local life flourishes in Karşıyaka. You can indulge in the simple pleasure of watching the world go by from a waterfront cafe, or, if you're feeling adventurous, explore the local markets brimming with fresh produce and unique finds. As the day winds down, the setting sun paints the sky in breathtaking hues, a spectacle best enjoyed from the tranquility of the promenade. Karşıyaka is the perfect place to unwind and reflect on your Izmir adventure.